So in order to tab on an image, we are going to create a tab gesture recognizer. I'm going to do this right here. So we create a gesture recognizer, which is a tab gesture recognizer. And then in our awake from need, this is like a view did load function for our cell. So we can do some setup here. I'm going to add a target to my tab gesture recognizer. So I copy this, say add target, and the target is going to be cell, so our view. And the action is actually which function should be called when our tab gesture recognizer gets tabbed. So the action I'm going to call this. So we say selector, and we pass our function name, which is going to be self.avatar tab. Okay. Right now it will give us an error because there is no such function, avatar tab, in our view here. The next thing we need to do in order to get our image view to work is we say avatar image view dot is user interaction enabled. We are going to set this to true, so our user can interact with our image view. And then we are going to add our gesture recognizer to our image view. So we say avatar image view dot add gesture recognizer, and we say tab gesture recognizer. So these three lines will allow us to receive to get this avatar tab every time we hit on an avatar image. So the next thing we are going to do is create this avatar tab function, which is I'm going to do at the bottom here. What I want to do for now is I'm going to print and say avatar tab at, and I'm going to pass my index path. So we know which avatar we are tabbing here. Okay, so this is our custom cell, and this is it for now for this class. The next thing we are going to do is create a class that will be controlling our view here, because we just created a class that controls our cell here. So we will create it and start connecting our UI.